Today I show you how to set the default USB mode to data transfer, so you don't have to accept every time when you connect to your computer. It will automatically connect to the computer and you can transfer files. And for that you need to have the developer options. Also you need to have a USB-C cable connected to your computer. USB-C to USB-A, type A, or USB-C to USB-C if your computer has a USB-C port. This is a USB-C to USB-C connected to a USB-C port on the computer. I will show you now how to set the default USB mode to transfer to file transfer on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with OneUI 8.0, so it's Android 16, and you can check the version. I can see here in software update. You can also once in a while check for updates. You see OneUI version 8.0 and Android version 16. So also you need to have developer options enabled, and to check if you have developer options enabled, you open the settings and scroll all the way down until you see developer options here. If you don't see developer options here, I have another video showing you how to enable developer options. Once you have developer options enabled, you open this menu and make sure you don't change anything here that you don't need to change. And if you do change something else, make sure you know what changed so you can put it back in case the phone might be doing something weird. And yeah, you can also turn off developer options anytime from here and then it disappears from the menu. In developer options here, you scroll until you see the settings related to the USB transfer mode, and you might miss it. There are many settings here, just scroll slowly. Okay, so you have here default USB configuration. This might change over time, so if this will be different, it's going to be something about default and USB. So tap on default USB configuration, and here I have the transfer files USB tethering mode. I want to show you what happens when I plug in the phone to the computer before changing the setting. So I have here, it's charging. When I try to go to the folder, there is nothing there. It shows the phone, but there is no folder there. To allow transfer of files to the computer, you have to open the quick settings, and then you have this notification here, and it says USB for charging phone. Tap for other USB options, and I tap here. I have the USB settings. USB is connected by this device. I leave it like this, and then under the use USB for setting, you have charging phone only. That's how it is now. I can change it to transferring files, and I have to enter the PIN or use the passcode, and I enter the PIN, and now the computer is changing and it's going to show the file. So I have here the folder, and then you see the storage on the phone itself like that because I allowed it now. When I unplug the phone and then I plug it back in, it switches back to charging only, because this is what it's doing now. To change the default from charging only to allow file transfer when you use your phone connected to the computer so you can transfer files, that's why you go into the settings in developer options and you find default USB configuration, and under here this is the default charging phone only, but I can change this to transfer files, and now it's already changed. And we finished here with developer options, and you can see USB for file transfer, so you can know that the phone will allow the computer to transfer the files. You have to be careful with this setting that you don't connect your device to any unknown computer, because then files from your phone could be transferred, could be copied, data could be accessed. So that's why it's a safety feature. That is, by default, it's set to charging only. If you want to change it to data transfer, you can't do it. You just have to make sure you don't plug in your Samsung Galaxy Android phone to any unknown computers, only your own computer. And if you do need to charge it, make sure you use the wall charger without data connection, or use wireless charging, the easiest way. And now I unplug the phone. I plug it back in, and it shows USB for file transfer. So now I can go to the computer and you see the files there. Everything is there. No matter how many times I unplug and plug back the data cable from the phone to the computer, I will see the files there. I'm not sure if this is a setting per computer. You have to be careful. If you want to check, you can easily check this. If you have multiple computers, do this setting and then check one computer and see if it's going to allow all computers. I believe it will allow any computer because that's a default setting. I have another video about doing this, but it was a previous version of OneUI. It was OneUI 6. Now I show you in OneUI 8. You can still do it. It still works. Thanks for watching.